Hi folks, welcome to Q&A with Bryan. A recent question that came in is, Bryan, how will inflation affect my retirement? Inflation is something most Americans probably don't think about much, but it has a significant influence on their financial lives. Not only does inflation affect the prices of consumer goods, but the federal government also uses it as a benchmark in determining whether to raise monthly Social Security benefits. On an individual level, the inflation rate affects how much your retirement dollars will really be worth in the future. Over time, it can take a serious bite out of your nest egg, and understanding how inflation may hurt your retirement is a must for making sure that you have plenty of assets to last you through your later years. For example, if a retiree needs $60,000 in supplemental retirement income today to take care of living expenses, with 2.5% inflation, over 10 years, that same $60,000 will increase to almost $80,000. In 20 years, the same 60 is the equivalent to almost $100,000. So what's your plan to keep up with inflation? In terms of the actual amount of money that inflation can cost retirees, the numbers are startling. LIMRA Secure Retirement Institute constructed a model demonstrating the effect inflation could have on the average Social Security benefit over a period of 20 years. According to its research, a 1% inflation rate could swallow up to $34,000 of benefits. If the inflation rate were to increase to 3%, the shortfall would be more than $117,000. The primary concern for retirees is how inflation affects their purchasing power. This is true even if inflation remains low, because seniors are more likely than younger consumers to spend money on things that tend to increase in price, such as healthcare. According to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS, per capita, healthcare spending for elderly Americans was 3 times that of a working adult and 5 times that of a child in 2018. Almost $22,000 per year. The bottom line is, inflation can be a retirement killer, but it doesn't have to be for seniors who take the time to develop a plan for beating it. Reducing spending, creating a realistic retirement budget, and leveraging investments can all help soften the blow inflation may give to long-term savings. Thanks for joining us. Have a great week. We'll see you next time.